Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make a classical French bread known as brioche. Now there are several ways to make brioche. You can use it to make a burger bun or a bread loaf. Today I'll be teaching you how to make the classical brioche. Okay. So for that we'll need some refined flour. I'm taking 200 grams, 15 grams of granulated sugar, 4 grams of salt, 6 grams of yeast, 15 grams of butter, 1 egg, around 5 to 10 ml of oil and around 50 ml of warm milk. To start the recipe, I'll take this bowl, I'll add the flour, salt, the butter and the egg, and I will start to mix it in a low speed. Now the ingredients have combined, it's time to make the yeast solution. For that, I'll take the sugar and yeast into the bowl. And then I'll add some warm milk. And I'll mix everything. Now my yeast solution is ready, so I'll just pour this into the dough. I'll keep the milk here in case I need some more. Now the dough is almost ready, so I'll add a little bit of olive oil to this, and then I'll mix it in some high speed. I'll just remove these and keep a glass bowl here. Now the dough is ready, so I'll just oil the bottom of this bowl and place the dough at the center, and I'll keep it to ferment for around half an hour. Now as you can see, the dough has fermented and has become almost double its size. Now I will keep this aside, I will deflate it later. So what I'll do is, I'll use this tray to make the brioche buns. So I'll need to oil them from the inside, oil all the cavities, so that the breads do not stick while baking. And also the oil will help the bread to get a really nice color. And now tray is ready to be used. Now, as you can see, I have knocked back the dough and it's time to give the shape. Now make sure before you do this, you sanitize your hands. So I'll just take some pieces of dough and I'll make roundels from it. And then I will place these roundels inside these cavities and then I'll finish them. The last one, and now I will let them ferment for another 30 minutes before baking them. And now, as you can see, the dough has fermented beautifully, so I'll bake these at 230 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes. So I'll put it in a preheated oven. Now it's been 7 minutes. So I'll just check on the brioche breads. Yes, they have baked perfectly. So I'll take them out and keep them on the table. And I will lightly brush them with some olive oil. Now I will let them cool for around 15 minutes and then I will plate them.